Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Delfina. So today I'm going to explain about my proposal. The title is Improving Students' Pronunciation Skill Through Watching English Movies at the 11th grade of Man 1 Banyuasin. Okay, actually there are some part in my proposal. So the first one I'm going to explain about the research background. Okay, in research background, first we must to know about language. So what is language? Okay, according to Wibawa 2001, language is a system of symbols that are meaningful and articulate sound or generated by said tool which are arbitrary and conventional, which is used as a means of communicating by a group of human beings to give birth to feelings and thoughts. So language is a system of communication which used as the way to communicate with each other. And then there are varieties of language such as Indonesian, Arabic, Japanese, English, and so on. And nowadays, English is become an international language which is very important for global communication. Okay, in Indonesia, English is a foreign language which must be learned for the people start from the junior high school to university degree. It is because English is very important for global communication. But in fact, some people in Indonesia are still weird when they hear English. The students who can speak English well in Indonesia is still pure. Some students think that English is a very difficult language to be studied. Students feel confused and strange with the words in English, especially with the pronunciation. Pronunciation is one of the important aspects in learning English. It is the way in which a word or a language is spoken. Some students lack of pronunciation because they feel bored when learning English and think that it is very difficult to pronounce the word like native speaker. So the teacher must find out the best or the appropriate media for teaching and learning English, especially for the improving pronunciation skill. Okay, one of the appropriate media in learning pronunciation is watching English movie. By watching English movie, the students can improve their pronunciation and knowing how to pronounce the word correctly by the native speaker in the movie. And then students can feel more fun by watching English movie, and it can avoid the feeling bored when students study English in the class. And then I found the previous research that have conducted in improving students' ability in learning English through watching movie. The name is Regi Rayasa, and the title of his research is The Use of English Movie to Enhance 10th Grade Students' Pronunciation at Senior High School Angkasa Number 2. In his research, the final result is show that students' pronunciation skill develop after using English movie in learning English. So I conclude that movie is the appropriate and the effective media that teacher can use in improving students' pronunciation. Okay, the quality English skill of the students of Man 1 Banyuasin is still low. Realizing the low ability of the 11th grade students in English lesson, especially in pronunciation, it is because the teacher teach the students only using the simple media. The simple media here means that such as book, whiteboard, board marker, and something like that. So the students feel bored and very difficult improve their pronunciation with that situation. So taking all of the explanation, I will investigate the use of the watching English movie as a media in improving students' pronunciation. Therefore, I will conduct a research with the title Improving Students' Pronunciation Skill through watching English movie at the 11th grade of Man 1 Banyuasin. Okay. Okay, the second part is research problems. So based on the background that I have already explained, there are two research problems in my study. The first one is what students' perception toward watching English movie as a media in learning English pronunciation. And the second one is does watching English movie can improve students' pronunciation? Okay, next is research objective. Okay, uh, the objective of this study is to find out students' perception toward watching English movie as a media in learning English pronunciation, and then to identify whether watching English movie can improve students' pronunciation. Okay, the last part is research significance. So I hope in this research can give the benefit or contribution for the English language teaching and learning. So there are two significance in my proposal: theoretical significance and practical significance. In theoretical significance, the first one is this research is expected to give solution to find out the best or the appropriate media in teaching pronunciation. And then the second one is as a reference to other researchers who want to study about improving students' pronunciation skill through watching English movie. And then practical significance. There are two points for the students and then for the teachers. For the students will be able to improve their pronunciation ability by watching English movie, and also the use of watching English movie as media in learning pronunciation can make students are more interesting, enjoyable, and fun. And then for the teachers, the result of this research can be references for English teachers to solve the problem on how to improve their students' pronunciation skill. Okay, I think that's all for my explanations. So sorry for the mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.